Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ebony here with the Keto Queen, and today we're going to be making one of my favorite keto meals ever. It's the Mississippi pot roast. It's so good. You only need about 4 ingredients and it's like so easy to make, so delicious. All you're going to need is 1 hour in the pressure cooker and it is going to be delicious and you can eat it all week. Okay, so for this recipe, you're going to need 1 packet of the Au Jus Gravy, 1 packet of the ranch dips, and 1 stick of butter, and you're also going to need some pepperoncinis. Okay, so the first step in this recipe, well, what I like to do first is to brown my meat before I put it in the Instant Pot. So I'm going to take it to the stove and brown it for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side, only seasoning it with salt and pepper, nothing more, because the rest of the seasonings are going to do the job. But first, we're going to brown the meat 1 to 2 minutes on both sides. Okay, now that we're done browning the meat, now we can move to the Instant Pot. So now we're going to transfer our meat to the Instant Pot. Just drop it in there. And then you guys won't believe how easy the rest of this recipe is. Like, it's just too easy to believe. It's so freaking quick and easy to make this. Alright, so now literally all we're going to do is add in the 1 packet of ranch dips. I'm going to add that in first. Then we're going to add in the packet of the Au Jus Gravy. Then we're just going to plop a stick of butter on top. You don't even have to cut it or anything, just plop it on there. Right on top. And then you're going to take some pepperoncinis. You can put in as many as you want. I like a lot of pepperoncinis, so I'm going to put in the rest of this jar and all the juice. So this is what it's looking like right now. I know it doesn't look appetizing, but just please trust the process. It's so easy. All you got to do is put these things right on top of each other. And that's literally all you have to do. It's going to be good. It's going to look so delicious. You guys are going to be so surprised when you see the finished result. And now for our last and final step, we're going to pressure cook this for 60 minutes on high. Okay, so right now we're pressure cooking on high for 1 hour, 60 minutes. When it's finished, don't touch it. Let it natural release for at least 15 minutes. I might let mine natural release for like 30 minutes. I don't know yet, but I'll be right back when it's finished cooking so I can show you guys the finished result. Okay, it's finished now. It's time to take it out. I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and oh my goodness, it's so tender. Like, we're able to shred it with a fork. Like, okay, so I just took a couple minutes to shred this. It's so tender, so it comes apart very easily. And yes, this is what it looks like right now. Okay, now that I'm finished shredding it, my favorite way is to eat it on top of a little cauliflower mash. So I just made some cauliflower mash. I'm gonna put it together and show you guys what it looks like. It's gonna be so good. I can't wait to taste it. Oh my goodness gracious, it looks so good. I can't wait to try this. Okay, now's the moment of truth. I cannot wait to eat this. Oh my goodness. Let me get some of the cauli mash. I love the flavor of this. And make sure just to try to eat at least one with a whole pepperoni. This is so freaking good. Thank you guys so much for joining me today for this Mississippi pot roast recipe. It's truly one of my favorite keto recipes, like, for real. If you enjoyed this recipe, please follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and like and subscribe to my channel. Duh. Thank you guys so much. Love you. I'll see you in my next video.